Welcome to the Communicators Block Party. Woo! This month we are focused on the IB profile thinker.
Madison, I have been thinking all week. I am a professional thinker.
I think I am too.
Why is it important to be a thinker?
I feel like it's important because I know how to think for myself and it helps me do my work independently.
I like that. Now let's hear Communicators Anthony from Delaney Robinson.
I am confident when I speak, and I listen before I speak, and I express myself through my own creativities.
And I learned from those who came before me.
And I learned that those came before me.
I stand on the shoulders of giants.
I stand on the shoulders for giants. And I am a communicator.
Thank you, Delaney.
Now let's go see who know what it is to be a thinker around Cascade.
We'll pass it to London.
Hi, I'm London Diller, and I'm from Miss Washington's class, and I am also a communicator. Today I'm going to be interviewing some students that are displaying the IB traits thinkers. Come on, let's go.
The Communicator TV!
What are you thinking?
I'm thinking I am subtracting kilometers and meters. I think I have to convert kilometers to meters in order to subtract them.
Hey, Jermaine. Hey, London. So, as you know, the IB trait is thinkers. What do you think about it is being a thinker?
I think it is to focus on your writing and focus on other things and think about your choices.
So, what are you learning in writing?
I'm learning about why George Washington was important in the American Revolution.
So, why is George Washington important?
George Washington is important because he was the first president of the United States.
Okay, here's a question. Who's your favorite president?
My favorite president is Barack Obama.
Yes, come on, Sterling. Let's get it together.
As you know, the IB trait of the month is thinkers. How can be a thinker?
Since we're in Spanish class, we can translate Spanish to English. Like C is yes, R is high, and las sabanas should be shoes.
So, hey, Schrader, do you have to be a thinker when you playing chess?
Yes.
Okay. How do you think when you playing chess?
You have to think and be cautious
Okay.
because one move can make a consequence.
Okay. So, can you use chess in real life?
Yes.
How so?
Because you have to think and move, you'll be able to learn how to think, move, and be cautious at the same time.
So it's like the decisions
You make
that you make. So every decision that you make, it has a consequence, right?
Yep.
Can you give me an example?
Like me not cleaning my room.
All right.
Now I have to clean it, and if I don't clean it, I'll probably get butt whooping.
So our IB profile of the month is thinker. What do you think it means to be a thinker?
Well, I really don't know, but I would just think about like learning and like reading and about like math.
And what do you think about math? Was there a problem you were trying to solve in math?
Yeah,
What was the problem?
it was 9 plus 10.
And how do you think you would solve 9 plus 10?
With my calculator?
With your calculator. Hey, Michaela.
Hey.
So, what club are you in?
Debate.
Debate. So, do you think debate requires you to be a thinker?
Yeah.
How?
Because you have to think about what you're going to say. You have to think about being confident in your opponent's arguments.
Can you use this in real life?
Yes.
How so?
Because you learned how to argue without arguing. Like, you can argue without raising your voice, and you learn how to make really good points.
So, can you say that debate helps you control your emotions?
Antoine Johnson.
Thank you for tuning in, Communicator TV. We'll see you next time. Communicators out.
Now for the moment you all have been waiting for.
Let's see who's the house of the week. Pass it to you, Mr. Ross.
Communicators
Communicators out.